You're watching How to World Trip. After hanging out with elephants in the land of smiles, Thailand, and riding bikes around the tropical paradise of Seychelles, we have arrived at our third destination, Tiblisi, Georgia. This unique city has a lot to offer. Whether you're a landmark or a history buff, a hiker, a foodie, or just on family vacation, Tiblisi has something for everyone to do. We started our trip in the heart of Tiblisi. There are tons of landmark buildings to see, so for your first visit, I recommend trying out one of the hop-on, hop-off bus tours to get your lay of the land. But of course, you can't see everything via driving. The city of Tiblisi is very easy to walk around. There are tons of parks, hidden gems, and interesting shops you'll run into if you choose to adventure on foot. In fact, Tiblisi has a huge street market with a variety of vendors every single day. You'll be able to buy Georgian jewelry, clothes, food, flowers, and much more if you choose to explore. There's quite a lot of traffic on the main roads of Tiblisi. To make it easier for drivers and pedestrians, Tiblisi has a lot of underground walkways for people to cross busy streets. What's even cooler is that most of these walkways are populated with boutique shops that make the walkways safer and more fun to walk through. The city of Tiblisi is loaded with cultural history. I think it's well worth it to spend some of your day looking for and reading about the many statues and monuments scattered throughout the city. The next place we checked out was Matastaminda Park. This is one of the highest points in Tiblisi. You can take a tram to easily get here from the city, then you have to walk up multiple flights of stairs to get across different parts of the park. There's places to relax, places to eat, and many different rides and attractions to try out. So not only is it a great place to have fun with the family on this carnival-style hilltop, but it is also a great place to get a full view of the entire city. I'll give you a minute to see a few of the fun things you can do around Matastaminda Park. Finally, let's talk about Georgian food. If you're a wine lover, then you'll be happy to know there's a wide variety of wine to try no matter where you go in Georgia. The wine is delicious and very reasonably priced, so you can have a glass with every meal. A few places I recommend going out to eat at are Tanin Bar and Restaurant, the Georgian Gourmet Group, and the Avocado Cafe. To finish off our trip to Georgia, we decided to take a day trip to the beautiful and tranquil town named Borjomi. This unique town is located about 2 hours west of Tiblisi. If you're looking for a nice small getaway from the busy city, then Borjomi might be the perfect fit. There's a relaxing park located on the edge of town that you absolutely have to visit. I think this park is well suited for a nice hike or a romantic walk with your significant other. There's even a mineral water drinking fountain, and depending on the time of day, there may be vendors and rides to keep the kids entertained. And like I said earlier, there are hiking trails and a breathtaking landscape for you to admire no matter what type of walking you will be doing around the park. And if that's not enough for you, there's an aerial tram you can take to do even more hiking and get a full overhead view of the entire town. I'll post a walking video on the channel for you guys to check out later if you're interested in getting a closer look of Borjomi. Georgia has surprisingly been one of my favorite places to visit on this entire year-long world trip so far. I recommend putting it on your list of places to explore if you've never thought about it before. That about wraps it up for this video. There's a lot more places that we've explored and a lot more videos on the way. Thanks again for watching How to World Trip. Check out our Instagram for even more of our adventure, and if you want to support us and get postcards from the places we visit, check out our Patreon. See you in the next video on How to World Trip.